Discover the transformative force of the law of attraction as we unlock the secrets to self-development and a life shaped by positive energy and intentional living. Welcome, everyone, to today's journey into the fascinating realm of the law of attraction. In this discussion, we're about to unravel the profound impact this concept can have on our journey of self-help and personal development. The insights shared here promise to be a potential game changer in the way we perceive and shape our lives. Imagine a shift in mindset so profound that it becomes the cornerstone of your well-being. The law of attraction beckons us to not just embrace positive thinking, but to cultivate a mental attitude that radiates optimism, ultimately influencing the course of our lives. Now let's delve into the art of goal setting. Beyond the conventional, the law of attraction teaches us to set clear and positive goals. It's about shifting our focus from what we lack to what we desire, fostering an environment where our aspirations magnetically draw towards us. But self-help goes beyond mere aspirations. It's about self-awareness. The law of attraction encourages us to become intimately attuned to our thoughts and feelings. This heightened self-awareness becomes a transformative step in our personal development journey, allowing us to identify and transmute negative thought patterns. Here's a thought-provoking idea. The law of attraction suggests that we possess the power to shape our reality through our thoughts. This realization instills a profound sense of responsibility for our lives, compelling us to adopt a proactive approach to personal growth. Ever considered the vibration of the world around you? The law of attraction unravels the understanding that our thoughts control our vibration. Empowered with this knowledge, we can consciously choose positive thoughts, fostering a harmonious and positive energetic state. Now let's talk about visualization and affirmations, powerful tools in the law of attraction toolkit. Imagine vividly visualizing your desired outcomes and reinforcing positive beliefs through affirmations, aligning your energy with your goals and aspirations. The law of correspondence introduces us to the intriguing concept that the outer world reflects the inner world. This prompts us to embark on an inner journey, working on our beliefs and thoughts to positively influence our external experiences. Changing paradigms takes center stage as a key to achieving different results in our self-help endeavors. Breaking through limiting beliefs and behaviors becomes the essence of personal transformation, emphasizing the need to alter our paradigm for lasting change. In the realm of gratitude practice, we discover its transformative power in elevating our vibration. This common self-help technique not only enhances positivity, but also deepens our appreciation for the intricacies of life. Continuous learning becomes our mantra. The importance of revisiting these lessons repeatedly underscores the significance of reinforcing positive concepts in our self-help journey. As we embark on this exploration, it's vital to acknowledge that, while the law of attraction has its proponents, skepticism exists. Individual experiences with these concepts may vary, and critical thinking remains the key. Choose methods that resonate with your personal beliefs and values as we continue to unfold more insights and discussions. If you found these insights into the law of attraction and self-help intriguing, there's so much more to explore on our channel. Dive deeper into transformative concepts and join our community of like-minded individuals committed to personal growth. Don't miss out on upcoming discussions and valuable content. Subscribe now and hit the bell icon to stay notified.